Alex from Mozi sends out weekly newsletters called Mozi Money Minute, and I'm here to explain them to you because no one likes to read. Sorry, Alex. If you're a business owner and want an easy way to make a ton more money, watch this and I will be able to convince you to change all the pricing of your products or services that end in a 7 and change it to a 9. Really quick, my name is Israel. I've been a CPA for 5+ years. I graduated from the best business school in Texas, and I got my master's in business and accounting. But most importantly, I am the founder of AlexRamosischool.com, which is the most exclusive community online for business owners who are also fans of Alex Hormozi. And Alex Hormozi himself has had over a decade of experience of different pricing strategies, and this is one of his easiest money-making hacks. I'm going to walk you through why this pricing strategy works, just how powerful it is, and why it's going to make you a lot more money. If you have any product or service that ends in a 7, like $97 or $997, stop that right now and immediately change it to $99 or $999. Change the 7s to a 9. Let's see how changing your pricing from a mere $2 from 7 to a 9 will make you a lot more money. So the reason you probably have your prices ending in a 7 instead of a 9 is because someone told you, or you believe a really old marketing study that said people bought more at these prices compared to these prices. But I'm here to tell you that those days are gone. The most recent data and studies have proven that. So we're going to get some quick statistics out of the way just to be able to prove it to you guys. So PwC, which is one of the biggest accounting companies in the world, it's actually one of the top 4 accounting companies in the entire world. They found out that any products or services ending in a 9 had a 24% increase in revenue. Meaning way more consumers bought from businesses that ended in a 9 instead of a 7, or basically any other digit that wasn't a 9. So it's 24% increase in revenue. That's a lot of money. And PwC confirmed this. Highly reputable. Let me just put big dollar signs in case that doesn't really make sense to you. So the second statistic I want to show you is that the Journal of Economic Psychology. So once again, a really highly reputable publication. Journal of Economic Psychology found out that prices ending in a 9 had a 20 to 30% increase in consumption of customers. So essentially, customers increased 20 to 30% of consumption of products or services that ended in a 9 versus a 7 because they just viewed that product as more valuable and higher quality. And notice how that 20 to 30% almost aligns to that 24% increase with PwC. So you had these two really highly reputable companies / publications are telling you, hey, if your products or services end in a 9, you will see an increase in both revenue and consumer purchases. So guys, use consumer psychology to your advantage. If more customers are wanting to buy from you when your products or services are ending in a 9 instead of a 7, let them. That's just more money for you. Now let's run through an example to really drive this home, and hopefully you guys will see how much more money you'll make. So let's say on average you have 50 sales a month and your product or service ends at $97, which means monthly you're making $4,850. Hopefully my math is right. Now let's say you change your price from $97 to $99, right? So 50 times 99, that means you'll make $4,950 a month. Okay, so $100 more. Now, I know that doesn't sound too enticing right off the bat, right? I'm with you. The key of everything is what you do with this extra income. What you do with this additional profit that you just made. Now, the first and easiest choice, of course, is paid ads. Throw that additional money you just made into your paid ads, which I hope you are already running. So we're going to call this month 1, and I'm going to show you what happens in month 2. So let's say after that first month, that additional $100 got you 2 more customers more than usual. So let's say you have 52 sales at $99 a month. So that will get you at $5,148 that month. Now that is an additional $298 a month. Now that is an additional $298 straight to your revenue. Now you're gonna rinse and repeat. All this additional money that you'll be making per month, you're gonna throw all that into your paid ads. And if you know anything about scale, the more money